Unit 2, a lesson to save. Unit 2, a lesson to save. First we will read glossary. First one, digging, break up and move earth. Traps, ensure designing to catch and retain animals. Paralyze, incapable of movement. Sap, plant fluid. Plant fluid. Glossary, we learnt then. True or false? Amir left the tap opened earlier. True. Amir switched off the fan when we walked out. False. Moles trap worms and store them. True. Leafcutter ants grow fungus. True. Amir realized his mistakes. True. This is Unit 2, lesson true or false. There are 5 true or false. Next we will move on to choose the best one. Choose the correct answer. First one, moles dig dash to catch worms. Worm trap. Leafcutter ants can carry leaves that weight dash times of their body weight. 20. Moles bite and dash the worms. Paralyze. Leafcutter ants drink dash leaf sap. Fifth one, humans give importance to save money. I told you only the correct answer, children. Read from the picture. Then question and answer. Why should we close the tap after using it? We should close the tap after using it to avoid wastage of water. Second one, where do the moles save their food? The moles save their food in the tunnels. Why do the leafcutter ants grow the fungus? The leafcutter ants grow the fungus to feed their babies. Why do the leafcutter ants grow the fungus? The leafcutter ants grow the fungus to feed their babies. Next we will read fourth and fifth question answer. Fourth one, list the things that humans should save. The things that humans should save are water, food, electricity, forest and fuel. What are the things that we can save? Why should we save them? We can save water, food, electricity, forest and fuel. We should save them for the future generation. We can save water, food, electricity, forest and fuel. We should save them for the future generation. Next we will read memory poem. What is that? Memory poem, we will read it. Parents brings us to this soil and will never let us get spoiled. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. Brother always fights for his share. This 5 line you read, children. Once again I read. Parent brings us to this soil and will never let us get spoiled. They earn our daily bread and wish to see us shoot ahead. Brother always fights for his share. The poem book bag exercise. Ant hill, rhyming words. Chill, ladder, starter, tunnels, channels, tree, free. Question and answer. Where do ants spill their food? Ants spill their food in the ant hill. Where do crocodiles save? Crocodiles save food in their pantries. Third one, what do you save? Why is it needed? We save money. It is needed to buy many things. We save money. It is needed to buy many things. What do you save? Why it is needed? We save money. It is needed to buy many things. Next, the poem glossary. Pile, to collect. Pantries, a storage room. Prey, an animal that is hunted and killed by another food for food. Granary, a storehouse for threshed grain. Cannery, a place where the food is packed in cans and tins. Next, we will read the composition about Kamarasar. What is that? Kamarasar. First one, Kamarasar was born on 15th July 1903. He was born in Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. He was known as Kingmaker and Karmaveerar. He introduced midday meal scheme. He brought many reforms in education. He was the third Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu during 1954 to 1963. He died on 2nd October 1975. The Indian government honored him with the award Bharat Ratna in 1976. Next, reader exercise. Every year the children visit the car festival. At the end of the festival, Kamali and Sendil saved 300. Savings is done after fulfilling the basic needs. Sendil bought a camera from his savings. Kamali gave her savings to her father. What did children buy with the money they have? The children bought toys and sweets with the money they had. Next question, second one. What did the grandfather announce? The grandfather announced that the children should save money and spend it purposefully. What happened to Jayan? Jayan got sick due to the food poisoning. What did Kamali get as gift? Kamali got a brand new flute as gift. What will you do with your savings? I will use my savings to buy anything purposefully. Children, that's all from the unit 2. Read well. All the best.